Okay, so today I'm working on a star bag. So I have 2 pieces cut out from this quilt that I thrifted a while back. So I've just sewn in the extra kind of star shape, and then I made, I didn't video yesterday, but I made a charm to match this bag. So this bag is a custom order, so yeah, I'm gonna do that now. So I've got the charm made. I'm gonna get the star bag made now, so let's do that. I have my strip of fabric cut out now to do the ruffle around the edge, and then I also cut out from this quilt that I thrifted. I took the edging, and I'm going to use the edging of that to make the ties on the bag. So I'll just get rid of all this extra threads, and yeah, I will make the ties for the bag with this. So yeah, that's my plan. I'm going to do the ties and the ruffle now. Okay, so I've now done the ruffle and I've done the straps. So these are gonna go either side. So I'm just getting the lining ready, and then I'll do that, and then we'll be nearly finished. So yesterday I showed you that bag I was working on, and it's finished. I'll show you in the mirror in a minute. And now I'm working on a skirt. I've got all these fabrics. You might have seen a previous collection I did, I think maybe 2 years ago, where I basically just used all these check fabrics, and I'm making a skirt at the moment to go along with that bag. So it's all over here on the sewing machine. I'll show you that too, but let me show you the bag anyway. So here is the bag in its finished form. Really happy with how it turned out. It's always good to see them in different colorways, and I just made that charm I think I showed you to go along with it, and then there are the ties there. Yeah, so that's finished, and I'm working on the skirt now. Also did a little tidy of all the fabrics. I don't know if you can notice. Yeah, but they're a little bit neater now. I was just trying to make some room, so I have a little bit more room now. And here is the skirt I'm working on. It's like all the patch fabrics, and then there's going to be a tulle inside, and I have a lace to go in the end of the tulle. I have this old pillowcase with this lace, and I'm just unpicking that, and that's going to go on the end of the tulle. So that's what I'm working on today. Okay, so I'm in printing, and I'm just going to add a print inside the skirts. So yeah, I'm going to add this, and then I've mixed up this kind of neon green color that I'm going to use. So yeah, I'm going to get that printed now. So here are all the finished pieces. This is the top I made. So it's got like a layer of tulle and lace over, and then the check fabric under with the screen printed designs on the check fabric. And then I did these kind of lavendery pink ties. Yeah, so that is the front and the back. And then this is a star bag that I made. I was really happy with how it turned out, and let me know if you would be interested in me doing a drop of these online. I can probably do them for September, October time. And then this is the skirt that I made. I'm really happy with how this turned out, and it can be worn kind of both ways. So I've done it that it's reversible. So this way the tulle is on the outside, but you can wear it the other way around where the check is on the outside and then the lace just shows up at the bottom. Yeah, I was really happy with how that turned out. Yeah, so thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's studio vlog. I have a few vlogs that I need to get up, but I'm still working on the projects that so I can't really put up the vlogs until I announce the project, but they're hopefully coming really soon. So yeah, thanks for watching and hope to catch you in the next one. Bye.